Irish Water definitely need to have two plans in place. Number one is they need to identify, is this a temporary solution they're going to try on Wednesday, or is it a permanent solution? If it's a temporary solution, they need to put proper contingency plans in place, and they need to notify people exactly what the permanent solution is going to be, when it's going to take place, and what contingency plans are going to be put in place in order to allow and facilitate the upgrade of the Staleen water treatment plant. Most people affected by this outage is senior citizens who are living alone, who have chronic diseases such as Alzheimer, such as Parkinson's disease or heart disease, and who don't, for whatever reason, travel to temporary water stations. So we need to make sure that they're looked after. Similarly, there is a significant number of people who have had young children recently in the last couple of months. They're living at home and they need water prioritised. So, you know, there are various sections of the population that are very vulnerable now at the minute, and this water outage is really severely affecting them.